guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be super chillax. We're gonna be social distancing ourselves, me and a couple of the gang. Plan for the day is just hang out with the friends, kind of go around the town for a nice little social distancing cruise. My plan is to get as much content of the Supra looking like this in the stock stage before we go too crazy on the modifying. Honestly, it's probably not gonna look like this for much longer. In the background, you can see that we got a special item in. The first part of our StreetHunter kit is here. Shout outs TJ. In a few vlogs back, we already installed one of the EVS tuning front fenders. So that means I only have one side I can take stock photos of. Oh look, just a couple of BMWs. First StreetHunter spoiler installed on a stock body. In Canada, anyway. But I have seen it done before and it looks good. I know Calvin actually, he's running the same wing on his stock body bagged Supra. But the reason why I went with this particular one, and who knows, down the line I may change it. You know me, man, I get bored easily. Shout outs to John, the designer of the StreetHunter kit. He actually kind of accentuated the body lines that already exist on the Supra. That's why I think this spoiler really matches and fits with the A90. Alright, let's bring this thing inside. We got two doggies! Oh, go on!
She's not ignoring you, don't worry.
Hey guys. Alright, StreetHunter! Oh shit! Bruh! Here it is, guys. Wait, what number are we? Number 8! 8! Oh. I saw another post of the Tuner Cult's StreetHunter kit being created, and it looks badass, man. But theirs is number 10, so that means we got our kit before they did. That's awesome, but we haven't installed it yet. Okay, you know what? That's actually stuck there. I don't want to rip that. But ooh, damn, number 8. This is legit. I forgot I even ordered in carbon. By the way, guys, we have sent out most of the pre-orders for the hoodies, the apparel, hats. The only thing we're waiting on right now are masks. It's been quite the journey with these masks. We've been waiting for them to get shipped by sea, just an ongoing back and forth situation, but we're getting them soon. Just want to let you guys know that the apparel is restocked, so you can get these hoodies online now. For all the people who have been waiting, yours is probably on its way to you right now. Goods!
Very good, there you go. Side mounts.
That's it, I guess.
So it's the body.
Just like that. So we're gonna go to Top Gear first, wash our cars down because it's super dirty. I forgot to bring towels. Brett, do you have towels?
Yeah, I do.
Can I borrow some?
Yeah,
just like 2, thanks, man.
Hey.
Oh, sorry, man. Thank you. Thanks, bro. The owner gave us a thumbs up. Alright. Perfect. There are spots right straight outside. That guy just jacked us! Luckily for me, this entire car is PPF, so I don't have to worry about the really tiny scratches that sometimes microfiber towels leave behind. But I'm actually pretty certain you're allowed to buff PPF. Not entirely sure. Probably shouldn't do it before I ask a professional, but I mean, like, dude, This is drying up really nicely. Come on, Shane, look! Hey! That's our new symbol. Poor Sports. You know what? I think I am gonna subscribe to Sirius XM. Those guys keep calling me and I keep saying, I don't listen to the radio. Top 40s isn't for me. But you know what? Sirius XM has such a huge variety of music that you'll never get bored. And yeah, I find myself shazamming like every other minute. It's bad. I don't do it while I'm on the road. Okay. Anyways. What's up, man? Sonny's helping me work on the lights. Goddamn, man. Everybody's working. Oh, shit. Damn. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you. That's a nice sight. Come here and everyone's just working on the FRS. I think my friends. So Sonny is helping me rewire the lights. A little more organized because my way was just like using the really cheap splice tabs. Sonny is actually going through the effort of cleanly reorganizing all the wiring, proper grounding, and also adding green lights. Yes! And then got Angus, he's continuing on the Supra detail, but if you look really closely, he's gotten rid of all of that. It's a huge difference from what it was before, for sure. Keep in mind, I've been like standing on my roof, and hence that's why there's dents and stuff too. Good look at the Limited boys. Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Healthy. This, courtesy of Sonny. Thank you. Didn't even take a shot with us. It's okay. We got Jollibees on the way. Yo, kids. You got nothing better to talk about but your cars or what? Yo, I like your fitment.
Thanks, bro.
Oh, that's a good shot. I'm trying to push these guys to get into the photography and videography game. I mean, now's a better time as any, right? Everyone's at home quarantined and like all this downtime. I'd be surprised if you haven't started a side hobby that you've wanted to all your life. There's two sides of the spectrum, fellas and gals. You can wallow in your sadness or have fun with all the things you want to do in life. There is no in between. Well, there is, and that's like just watching Netflix, I guess. But yeah, this I consider our fun.
Beachside town got me feeling stranded. Old friends gone, they don't understand it. Bomber jacket on with the NASA pageant. Always felt like I was from a different planet.
Ding, 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 got attention, got attention. Jollibee's arriving 7-11 minutes. There's Ryan and Sean. Like little ants. Yo, dude, I wish I got that on camera. Dude.
You listed it. Why?
Because we made profit. Yo, Shane's favorite show is Love It or List It. Alright, let's take some nice photos of these nice cars. Whoa, the Tower of Pineapple Juice. Jollibee. Just came out here to check out on the cars. Sweet, man. Carbon diffuser. It actually stays on. Yep.
You made this one yourself?
Oh, not really. Definitely coming back to this spot. This is sick. My old school. Alberta University of Arts. And actually a good spot to take photos is in there, so we'll be back. We just beat them here. What? Hilarious. I think it's the Beamer boys. Damn. Yo. Yo, what's up, guys? Damn. Like car meet happening over here. Yo, there's barbecues going on. What the hell's happening? This is sick. People have had it. There's a car meet happening. Barbecues going on. Yo, this is Eddie's brother's car. Fucking baller kid, man. Type R on TEs.
Carl's.
I think he's pretty up there for the Type R game in Calgary, bro. No one buys a Voltex.
Was that like the first one too?
I think so.
I think so. And TE. This is so tastefully built.
First gear. They were saying that they made a prototype for that. This person's coming to Alberta.
Wait, what? That's probably it. What? Damn. Eddie, what are you doing, bro?
Dude, I need to catch up. I'm slacking, man.
This place is sweet. Like, we got basically that entire... No events happening at the Jubilee Auditorium either. And I mean, this COVID stuff means no students and teachers. Well, maybe some teachers, but you basically have this entire place to ourselves. Dude, everyone in this crew is like 400 horsepower and up club. Grayscale guys. Eddie scraped hard. From up here, they're all just like little Hot Wheels.
Autobots.
Roll out. Show off, show off.
Right.
That's cool, man. So many fond memories here. I remember there's this gap here. It's probably like 2 floors down. And I have a picture of me jumping it from there. Woo. Damn. Okay, so we're basically here to just shoot the shit and probably take some night photos, because look at our backdrop. This is our city. Strapped, bro. We're doing some product photos in here.
A little bit too far.
I think we're done here. Everyone's heading home, so you know what? See you guys at home. All right, we're back and just chilling, playing some COD. We got, yo, buddy. You got another dog here. Look at this. Look at this dynamic. Show me your next cargo.
Hopefully in the next 5 years, I want to get a Porsche GT3.
911. Actually, yeah, 125. That's the same price as an NSX.
A clean one.
Yeah, exactly. Believe it or not, unlike Americans, they get their NSXs between 30 to 50. According to Randy and Eliminate Boys, here in Canada, you'd be lucky to find a clean NSX for less than 100K. NSX, that was Eddie's dream car. I mean, it still is.
So it's on pause. It's just on a pause.
It's like dad car, man.
Yeah, pretty much.
We'll work for the Porsche. Guys, StreetHunter number 8. We have to drill the holes ourselves. As you can see, the holes don't go all the way through, so oops. We still have to drill these ourselves. Maybe this will have to wait. I'll try to mock it up. I'll bring the carbon fiber middle part down here. Dogs are so entertaining. So you see these little dots here? This is where you're gonna be drilling. That should actually be right in the center of these. So I'm thinking these are probably gonna be installed another day just because we don't have necessary tools here. So yeah, for the rest of the night, probably just gonna chill, order some pizza, play some COD, probably throw on a horror movie or something. And yeah, man, just to end this video, kind of chill day. Again, I don't want to do too much to the Supra yet, or at least I want to get all my stock content with the Supra as is before I go too crazy on it, because you know me. But other than that, guys, if you do want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, just hit the sub button with the notification button tick, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.